Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for November 18th, 2021. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have a warm front that is lifting through the region this morning, and that's leading to some low clouds and fog, especially over the Lehigh River Valley and also the Delaware River Valley, lifting up towards the Poconos and the Catskills, and also parts of the Hudson River Valley, with visibility at times below a mile, so it's some pretty dense fog. But that fog will be giving way to scattered broken cloud cover as that warm front lifts northward. Temperatures throughout the region, well, you can see where the cold pockets are hanging on, where in eastern Pennsylvania we're in the mid to upper 30s over portions of these valleys, lower 40s in the higher elevations, mid to upper 40s over the northern suburbs of New York City, and lower to mid 50s along the coast, even some upper 50s off towards the east end of Long Island. So there's a wide variety of temperatures, and you could think this warm front and stationary front, this will give way and basically collapse as warm air overrides over this cool dome of air over eastern Pennsylvania. And then we have our cold front. Now, this cold front will be featuring some moderate to heavy rainfall tonight, basically from 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. as it marches from west to east. So definitely a wet evening and overnight period with this cold front marching its way through. And then you can see off towards the Great Lakes another trough coming through, and you can see the strength of that cold air supporting snow showers over the western Great Lakes. That's going to eventually swing through our area as well, leading to some chilly, breezy conditions, and maybe a passing snow shower or two. So when we take a look at our visible satellite picture, you can see that the low clouds are going to start giving way, and once they do, will give way to scattered cloud cover this afternoon. And it is going to get very warm throughout the region as a result. And then this cold front comes through with, again, pretty strong lifting here. Some cold cloud tops here clearly supporting a strong cold front passage with some heavier downpours. And then behind that, here's our polar air mass that will send our chillier air through the region just in time for this weekend. So let's dive into this forecast. For this afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover, mild, with temperatures rising into the lower to mid 60s for most of the region. Mid to upper 60s will be possible in the Delaware River Valley, especially around southwestern New Jersey. For tonight, look for this cold front to march its way through with periods of rain heavy at times, especially around midnight. Look for low temperatures by tomorrow morning to fall off into the lower to mid 30s over the interior and upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. With these temperatures crashing, there will be a potential at the very end of this precipitation that we could see some mixing of sleet and snow, but no accumulations expected, even for the higher elevations. Now, on Friday afternoon, tomorrow afternoon, we have scattered cloud cover. Can't rule out a passing snow shower, especially over the Poconos and Catskills, with windy conditions, winds from the northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour, with gusts up to 35 miles per hour at times. Look for high temperatures in the lower to mid 40s over the interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. On Saturday, high pressure will be in control with clear skies and tranquil conditions. Lows in the mid-20s to lower 30s over the interior, lower to mid-30s along the coast. Highs in the lower to mid-40s throughout the region. And then on Sunday, the high-pressure system exits. It's going to lead to more of a southerly wind. Look for scattered cloud cover. Lows in the mid-30s to lower 40s. Highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. And then we enter our interesting period with a cold front approaching on Monday with periods of rain throughout the region. This cold front is going to move slowly, and we're going to be watching the development of a wave of low pressure. Now again, Monday will feature periods of rain, with temperatures not really moving all that much. Interior, look for temperatures basically stuck in the mid to upper 40s, and along the coast, basically in the lower to mid 50s. But Monday night into Tuesday, we're going to be watching this wave of low pressure. Now again, it looks like it's going to stay far enough east to not have a significant impact, but I'd keep an eye on the potential for scattered rain, snow showers, and windy conditions on Tuesday as this low pressure system intensifies and lifts up towards the Gulf of Maine. There is some support of a further west solution, but for right now, we're just going with scattered showers, okay, and maybe some wintry mix in terms of rain, sleet, and snow showers over the higher elevations. Look for temperatures on Tuesday range from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, mid 30s along the coast, high temperatures in the lower to mid 30s over the interior, and upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. So definitely a chilly day. Then on Wednesday, we're going to have a trough hanging around with breezy conditions and a threat for some rain and snow showers. Lows in the mid to upper 20s over the interior, lower to mid 30s along the coast. High temperatures in the mid to upper 30s over the interior and upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. And then on Thanksgiving, with this low pressure system festering around in the Gulf of Maine, we're going to have to keep an eye for what's called an inverted trough dropping south. Now, I'm not very confident that this will actually happen. So the way I see Thanksgiving is scattered cloud cover, a bit breezy, but anything to write home about. Look for lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. High temperatures in the mid to upper 30s over the interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast, and possibly a rain or snow shower dropping south in the afternoon and evening hours. This trough, though, has a good potential of just staying off the coast, which leads to just some scattered cloud cover. So we'll watch this very carefully and see how that evolves. So really the time period from Monday evening through Thanksgiving remains highly uncertain and volatile, but I can say for now that there is pretty strong agreement with keeping this storm far enough east to not have a major impact on travel, except on Monday with the passing cold front itself. So we'll keep an eye on that. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.